What's going on, guys? It's Ghostly, otherwise known as Wes, and we are back with some more Resident Evil 9. It has been quite the journey so far. This game has been absolutely terrifying, amazing, in all such a beautiful way. If you guys are liking the Resident Evil content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys are liking the game so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm out. I went the wrong way. Holy fucking shit. Holy 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 shit. Oh, what the fuck are you doing, bitch? Oh, we're going back. Oh, this is creepy as shit. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Oh my god. Oh, I thought I was gonna be able to grab that. Thank you, grab. What is this? This shit. Oh. She got some meat sweats.
Hey! Help!
She upside down. Oh, she is upside down.
Oh, yes.
Holy shit. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
What did you do to me?
3.3K? Let's fucking go. I could turn on the lamp. Began blood extraction, checked pulse, no abnormal.
Today, Junior?
Oh my god, no abnormalities. Administered Dexafil? Condition stable, ready for further examination. Okay.
Where the hell am I?
You know, that's a great question. What is that? Oh, fuck that! I could turn off the lights. I don't even got a flashlight. Okay. Oh, long red hallway. Can you, like, give me a little bit more light? With a faint medicine smell, it'll smash and draw the attention of those nearby when thrown. Okay. But what about... Okay. I don't know how well you could see, Dylan, but I can't see shit. Is this place just fucked up all around? I'm assuming this door... Yeah, I'm gonna need a key. Need a fuse. Okay, there's a key. Too much shit's going on here. Okay, typewriter. Okay, there's the ink ribbon for me to save. It's crazy that I just now realized that this is... I'm playing on standard, classic difficulty or above. Autosaves during grace the story will be limited. Ink ribbons are required to save at typewriters. Ink ribbons are scarce, so make sure to use them wisely. Well, fuck, I kind of feel like I need a... Great, now I get a lighter. I'm saving. I'm saving. I'm gonna need this fuse. I need a screwdriver. But now I could access those rooms. Oh, fuck this. Have you seen the shadow ghost hiding in the dark? Have you seen the shadow ghost staying from the light? Have you seen the shadow ghost because she's been watching you? What a creepy ass children's book. Stay in the light. I'm afraid to open that. Staff, I have moved some items out of the closet. The screwdriver is now in the toolbox in the nurse's station. The sewing kit is... Text is blurred in the ledge. In the nurse's station. Okay. Jesus fucking Christ. What happened to him?
He's dead.
Is he though?
Infected.
What the fuck? Well, hi there. Hi. I'm out. I'm out. I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. Fuck you, bitch. I'm out of here. Weave, 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 weave. Holy fucking shit. Holy 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 shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, what the fuck are you doing, bitch? Oh, we're going back. Oh! I can't hear her footsteps. Ah. Ah. Look at you, you dumb bitch. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Gave me goosebumps. Ew. Oh my god. Okay, med injector.
Oh my god. This looks important. Maybe.
Ink ribbon, that'll be nice. Oh, fuck you, bitch. The card is blocking it. Where the f...
This way.
Get your fucking chicken feet out of here. Please leave. Oh my god. I could say it's scarier too, Dylan. This shit's got me fucked up, okay? I'm genuinely afraid of what the fuck this is. And I need her to leave. She's got dinosaur feet. She just went through the ceiling. An herb? I need a screwdriver.
I guess.
I need a fucking screwdriver. No fucking screwdriver.
5 hours later.
I'm assuming this would be in the nurse. This is considered the nurse's station, right? I don't work at no hospital, but this would seem to be a nurse's station. If I had to guess. I don't see no fucking toolbox. Up there? I gotta look up? I need something to step on. This is getting... still gotta pull it more. Give me that fucking screwdriver.
Yes.
Oh, this is creepy as shit. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, get in the light. Go away. I'm climbing the ceiling. I'm out. I'm gone. Fucking gone. Gone. I'm fucking gone. I'm fucking gone, bro. Oh. This bitch has got a place everywhere. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Yeah, get your ass back in there, bitch. Oh, she tried dragging me? Oh my god! Oh. I was just gonna leave off on that cliffhanger. Holy fuck. And you don't like scary games, right, Dylan? I could be wrong. But from what I remember you saying that. You're not the biggest fan of scary games. This shit's fucked.
Mr. Kennedy, welcome. Dr. Gideon has been expecting you.
Who the fuck is this bitch?
I don't remember getting an invitation.
Well, he's waiting for you.
Can't have that, can we?
Follow me, please.
Lead the way.
I love watching the plane is killing me.
Dr. Gideon.
Not long. I just recently joined the team.
Why am I just so willingly following this bitch?
All undergoing experimental therapies developed by Dr. Gideon.
Experimental therapies.
Yes. It's all very cutting edge. The facility keeps a low profile due to the sensitive nature of the research.
Oh
I bet it does.
my god.
Please, wait here.
Please wait here. That's a camera. Or not from the past, from new. Mm-hmm.
Code 6, all staff initiate emergency protocols.
What's a code 6 mean?
Mr. Kennedy, we need to leave immediately.
What's going on?
I don't know what's happening. Some kind of mass hysteria.
Oh,
the
fuck.
hospital is on lockdown. Doctor.
Oh! A chainsaw this soon? Fuck me. Oh my god.
I think I want a second opinion.
Oh, I thought I was gonna be able to grab that. Thank you, grab. Oh, what is this? Well, I'm all out of bullets in the Requiem. This shit.
Nice.
Leon very well could have saved her. There's more. Oh! Well, this game's gonna be sick.
Well, that went well.
Leon's parts is gonna be sick. Grace's parts are gonna scare the fuck out of me. Can I pick up any more off these bodies? Mixed herb. This blend of 2 green herbs will restore a medium amount of health. Okay. His white walls did a little bit of red. Just a little bit. I wouldn't say a lot. Just a little bit of red paint, that's all. I don't want to miss anything. Okay, the hunt begins. Those are the little collectibles.
That bastard did it again. How are things on your end?
I just hacked into the center's network.
Good. Good. Can you find me the floor plan?
I'll see what I can do.
Well, in the meantime, I'll try to track him down.
Keep me posted.
Will do.
Try to track him down. I feel like we should leave. I don't think this is worth it, Leon. You gotta spend your last few moments like living.
Come on, come on!
Oh. So he did see it all happen.
Hey, over here.
Damn.
You okay?
Yeah. Thanks.
Leon Kennedy, DSO.
CSO. I'm Grace. Ashcroft. FBI.
FBI. What are you doing here?
Someone kidnapped me.
Victor Gideon.
I don't know.
Well, we should leave.
Fuck.
What does Victor want with you?
What?
Grace,
What do you
he
mean?
grabbed you for a reason.
Wait, you're DSO. That's the counter bioterrorism agency, right?
Take this.
He's,
You're sure?
I have no ammo in it, but take it.
Now go. Get out of here.
Pistol shit though. Pistol whip the shit out of it. Gideon, what are you doing?
She won't get away, you know.
Dr. Gideon.
So nice to finally meet you, Leon. Why don't we have a little talk?
How about we just leave? Oh fuck, he's big. I forget how big this guy is.
I see you're exhibiting symptoms too. Umbrella scars.
What the fuck, man?